Guys, I'm going to the Ceramic Pro Auto Bath Club. Actually, it's washing my car. I'll be washing my car there for free, because if you guys download the Ceramic Pro app, you can get the first wash for free. So I'm gonna try it. So let's go and see. So right, that's the place. You can see that Ceramic Pro Auto Bath Club. So I'll be just driving from here. That's the wash bay, but I think it's one way. But I'm just close by, so I'll just go in from here. So first I need to go to the service and change it to car wash mode. And the car wash mode, okay. So I have this set called Ceramic Pro Auto Bath. This is my first car wash free, and I'm going to show it to the guy right now. So I just need to scan the code on the app, then they start washing my car. So it's pretty standard. I think they'll just put the soap and they start wiping. And they have this VIP lounge. I think this is for VIPs. I am just a normal customer where I'm also not paying, but this room looks cool. Yeah, I make it larger for you guys to see. The room looks cool, really nice. So yeah, come and get your free car wash for free. Yeah, first time. Check out all these products. Yeah, Iron X cleaner, Tech Care Sports, and the ceramic coating for leather, for the paint, for the plastic. Wow. And shampoo as well. Very nice environment, clean and professional looking. I think I'll come back. Final rinsing. Detailed. Very nice. What I really like about this is that, you look at that, the hose is right on top of the car, so you wouldn't touch the car anyway. And there are also bookings over there, telling us which customers are coming and so on. Really nice. And now they're wiping it dry. And these guys, there's so many workers here, 7 or 8 of them, so working at the same time, so they can work with a few cars at the same time. They also wipe my window from inside. Cool. I wasn't expecting that for a free car wash. And also washing my front, but of course not the inside. Yeah, there are 3 guys in my car now, and this guy is applying something to the wheel which makes it shine. And they are applying this, I think it's just water wax for another car of course, but you have to top up some money for that. I'm just getting a free car wash. And I think they're done. Everybody left the car. Okay, it is done. Super clean. And see what's inside. Alright. Super clean. Really nice. And check that out, guys. I know it's supposed to be clean, right? Yeah, so this is a car wash mode, so I just exit. And thanks Ceramic Pro for giving me a free car wash. So guys, remember, download the app, use my referral code, and you guys can enjoy a free car wash the first time. Yeah, bye.